Good morning, to all present here. Today I am going to speak about the mobile. Mobile is very important part in our life. You know very well, without mobile you can't do nothing nowadays. Because mobile is a necessary and part in our life. If you going to everywhere, but you don't have the money, cash money, but so you can use the Paytm, Payphone through the mobile. Number of the facility in the mobile. For example, you get relative the information, education, and relative the job. You can learn number of the skill through the mobile. You can also video call with your family member everywhere. You can show everything through the mobile. Mobile is a world of. You can communication each other the peoples. You are want to abroad side people, so you can create the group.